Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a slippery elm and charcoal poultice. I'm being treated by Barbra O'Neill, and she informed me that I needed to get a root canal pulled because it was infected. So I had that root canal pulled 2 days ago, and yesterday I noticed there was blood coming out of my sinuses, my nose draining out. And I contacted her and she said that was a good thing because that means the infection is coming out of my tooth and my sinuses and not to worry about it. But she did tell me to make a poultice of slippery elm and charcoal and to put it in between my cheek and my gum, and that will help draw out the rest of the infection that's going on. And she also told me to lightly oil pull with coconut oil, and that would help get rid of the toxins and the infection going on also. So right now I'm going to show you how to do the poultice, how to make it, and then I'm going to show you how and where to put it. So I'm just starting with a little bit because it's a very small area that's going in my mouth. So this is slippery elm, and this is the charcoal, and I'm wearing gloves because charcoal can be very messy. So I'm getting a little bit of charcoal. I don't need a lot. And I'm going to use a little bit of water. This is filtered clean water. Just mix those together. Now, I'm not making this as a paste. I'm making it more liquidy because I'm going to use a piece of gauze to soak it up. And that's what I'm going to place in between my cheek and my gum where the tooth was taken out. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. Now both of these, charcoal and the slippery elm, are going to be, they're like thickening agents. That's why I said you don't need a lot. And she said to wear this overnight. If I make it small enough, it would just fit right in my cheek and it wouldn't bother me while I'm sleeping at night. So I'm going to start wearing this during the day, and then I'll put it on again at night. So here's my gauze, and I'm going to just fold it up, and I'm going to cut it smaller because I don't want it to bother me. And I'm just going to stick it in this mixture. And as you can see, it's just soaking right up in there. And that's why I'm wearing gloves also. So I'm gonna let that soak up a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to stick it in. Alright, so as you can see, this is the side that I got my tooth pulled, and it was actually this one right here. So I'm going to be sticking it up in between my cheek and my gum right here over this tooth. And please make sure to wear gloves because this is already messy. So here's the poultice I made. I am just going to roll it up, and I'm going to squeeze some of this out. I don't have a napkin. This stuff's messy. So I'm just going to open right here, and then I'm going to insert it right in between my gum and my tooth. And it should just sit there. And that's going to help draw out all of the infection that I have in my tooth right now. And I'll probably change it in an hour. She said you could wear it overnight so it could last for longer than that. And then I will, it already feels better actually. But that is how you make a slippery elm and charcoal poultice for a tooth infection. And again, my tooth was extracted, so you could probably use this for a toothache or another tooth that has an infection and you don't have time to take it out right now. So if you liked this video and you found it was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm actually doing a giveaway right now for my subscribers, and I will post a link down in the description. I am giving away a package of my homemade pancake mix made of einkorn. So if you click on that link, it will enter you into my contest and you could be a winner to win that package. All right, thanks everyone.